Okay, so I just pulled the top element for this hot water heater. This is 10 years old. It's got the plastic drain on the bottom still. And this was the top element. Ooh. See that? All this. Frickin' you could tell the calcium, but it's just crazy. So I'm gonna do the bottom one right now. And we're gonna see. I just thought there'd be the typical sludge in it from you know, the calcium, the sediment from being in a well or whatever. Bent. Holy shit. What the fuck happened to this thing? It's supposed to be broke like that? I highly doubt it. You can see liquid right there. Oh, yeah. And just chunks of shit. I think you can quite see it.